welcome back to Living with a Classic. And winter came a little early this year. I mean, we usually have cold, but usually don't have this amount of snow. We just got about 10 or 15 centimeters yesterday or early this morning, and we're supposed to get a lot more tomorrow and the day after. They've gone out with a warning for like the highest category of blizzard. So I realized, you know what, I have that time to winterize the tractor, which means getting a snow plow on the back. I usually do this a little bit later because we use the tractor with some other implements in the back to go and get our Christmas tree, because we usually don't get this amount of snow before Christmas. This is more like January, February. But since we're getting so much, I'm out here on my lunch break to quickly hook up the snow plow. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. First of all, see if this thing starts up. Hasn't run for months, sitting out here. And then if we can get the snow plow, we gotta dig it out a little bit, put that on, and maybe we'll do some light plowing as well. Here's my old tractor. It's a Swedish brand, BM, Belinda Munktell, but this time they were bought by Volvo, so it's a Volvo BM, sort of. It's a year when they were bought. It's 59 or 1960, I believe. Has a 3-cylinder Perkins diesel, and laying over here is that snowplow. So first of all, let's see if this thing fires up. The battery's usually good, and well, it's been pretty cold tonight, but hopefully it fires into life. All right, let me jump aboard and see if this thing fires into life. Got some snow on instruments in here. Okay, that is a good sign. Let's see. Give it some gas as well. Make sure that's in. And we'll try preheating. It doesn't have glow plugs. It has a flamethrower preheater, which sort of works. But we'll give that a couple seconds. And make sure we're in neutral. Out of it a little bit now. Just let the down to idle. Temperature gauge is starting to moving up now. Still have good oil pressure. Let's see if this thing moves. Reverse. Up. Moving, no problem at all. Some shuffling around here, try and get over there where the snowplow is. Alright, that should be close enough. I'm gonna get out, move everything out of the way, hook it up. It's just a 3-point hitch, so down there, and up here, and we should be ready to plow some snow. Okay, all connected up here, and we have the height adjustment here. I can show you basically how it works. So you can bring it up, and you can lower it, and of course you change the angle here, a few other places, but we should be pretty much set now. I'm gonna go get my other camera because the battery did not like the cold. It's been inside charging. We'll set that up, and we'll just give you a quick demonstration of a little bit of plowing. I'm not gonna do too much now because, as you see, it's only about a foot in some places, but tonight we're about supposed to get half a meter, close to that. So well, maybe it won't be as bad as they warned, but at least now I'm ready if it gets really, really bad tomorrow. Okay, filled it up with some more diesel so we don't run out. Now let's see if we can move with the plow. And let's get reverse. gear, creeper gear, let's go. And looking pretty good. I think I can lower it a little bit. Looking pretty good. There we go. And that's all I have time for now. Like I said, it's just my lunch break. But the sky's getting dark, so I think we got some more snow coming in, just dark clouds. But I did a pretty good job just clearing the stuff around here. It's not a lot of snow at the moment, but we're expecting a lot, so I thought, it's a good thing to start clearing now. So just to make it a little bit easier, it's just a road around the house down to the storage over there, and then got a road going up from the stable over to the pastures where the horses are, and that's pretty much it. A little bit later tonight or tomorrow, if we get a lot of snow, I'll do the parking area up there around the cars, but I'm pretty happy with the results. Not something I do very often, a couple times a year. Definitely not a pro at this, but it's a lot more fun than doing it by hand. So I think the old tractor did well. I think it will be used quite a bit over the next couple of days. Like I said, this was just supposed to be the tiny start of it. A couple of hours or later tonight, we're supposed to get about 40 centimeters and maybe 20 or so the day after. Who knows if they're correct or not, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to be prepared so we can walk around here and get the horses in and out a lot more easier than just have to go through deep snow. And also, who knows how long it will stick around for. I usually drive cars back and forth along this road, so I thought, gotta clear it, and I thought, I'll bring you guys along the old tractor. You saw a little bit of this last year, we did some starts and moved around, but you guys seem to enjoy that, so I thought you would enjoy this as well. Anyways, if you liked the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help out a lot. Sometimes we do old Jags, sometimes we do old tractors like this one. Until next time, I'm Adam. This was Living with a Classic. I'll see you soon.